Alright, what's up guys? We're doing an exhaust installation. Hey, can someone get the I can't. Alright. Alright, we're removing the stiffener. It's two 10 mils and two 14 mils. That's the first step.
We're gonna twin turbo this bitch. Hey, Nick, we're gonna move.
Right. Alright, Alan, what are we doing?
I want you to do something, Keith, you fucking hobo.
We're spraying the rear hangers with WD-40.
You gotta lube it up a little bit.
There's one more in the back.
It's easier. Oh,
remember the triangle pattern?
Oh, that's what I have to do first.
Yeah.
Just lube it up, guys.
Yeah, lube it up. Wait, we have PTSD, Keith.
Yeah, from the last time we had that triangle shit.
True. Alright, we gotta spray the other side. Keith, would you like to do the honors, Keith?
Yeah, no.
You already took it off?
Go do some shit. This shit.
Yeah, that hanger. Spray all over, Keith. Yeah. Okay.
Alright, more? No,
Yeah,
I think that doesn't more.
The one in the back. The one in the back.
Make sure you spray the way it's gonna come out. Like,
Yeah, man, that's what I'm saying.
Get the one in the back.
Back.
Yeah, the triangle one.
nigga, you just said we have PTSD about it, and now you forgot.
I know.
Bro.
You big tripping, bro.
That's good enough.
Alright, there you go. Wait for it to soak it all up. Alright, ladies and gents.
Got that.
We're trying to take off this rear hanger. Oh shit. What the heck? Like, this thing comes up hella easy.
Yeah. Because it's lubed up, that's the trick.
You like it lube, huh?
Not really.
What? You don't like it lube?
Wait, what?
What do you mean? What do you mean what?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
You're sus. Dude, Alan, I can't take this off,
Okay,
bro.
I'll come do it, bro.
Thank you. Alan's clutch as fuck. Alright. Let the master himself do it. The trick to all car channels, let your friends do the work.
Wait, did I put it back on the wrong way? Oh no, it's over here. Dumbass.
Oh yeah, you grabbed it already. Okay. Wow.
Nice.
The back one?
It's off.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Perfect for the
Oh, is that fucking Disney?
The phone. The phone is
Disney,
ringing. Not the movie, nigga. It's a show. It's a
This show?
Alright guys, this third hanger is at the resonator. It should be right above it. The homie Alan is taking it off.
Oh, bro, you gotta hold this because I'm scared it's gonna.
Okay.
Bro, what the fuck?
Keith, can you help me with the back part of the exhaust? Yeah, get that side and hold it. Yeah, I can feel it falling.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, fuck!
Oh shit, I got you.
Okay, Keith, there.
My fault.
I'll hold it. Go get the jack.
Keith, you're literally the worst at this, bro.
Get the small one.
Keith, I'm really disappointed in you right now, bro. Keith, fast, bro.
Go from the back. Place it right where Alan's hand is, right here.
Just give me this shit, bro. Fucker.
Place it right there.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. You're good.
Go all the way
you're
to the
good.
right, all the way to the right. Okay, pump that shit. Hey, relax. Relax,
No, bro.
relax, Keith.
We're not dying.
We're not done,
Oh,
bro.
alright, go slower then.
Go. Go. More. One more pump. Okay, there. It should be good.
Alright, now give me the fucking. What size is this?
What do you think? I think 17 maybe?
This?
Yeah, to the cat.
I don't know.
We'll try
Maybe.
19 since we already have it out. Right, that is 19. Here. In your hand.
It's that big, bro?
80.
No, bro. It's like a 14, bro. 19? This isn't an American muscle car, bro.
Shit, okay.
Asian. They go 8s, 10s, 12s, and 14s.
Oh!
Anything bigger, I'm so confused.
Alright, 14.
Probably, bro. I'm pretty sure. me see. Oh. Yup, 14.
Alright. You want to do it or you want me to do it?
You can do it, bro.
Okay. Where's the thing?
Right here.
Just pass it to me, I'll do it.
Here you go.
You can get it out of it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh man, I swear, this is like my favorite overtime. Stupid. I swear that. If it wasn't here, bro, I was just gonna go home and work on my car, so it's cool to work on a different car.
Oh fuck!
Bro, soon. Like, yeah, my goal is that by June 14th, which would be the end of my school year back in Oregon, my car is done.
Like a month?
Yeah. It's like 2 months. Cause like I rebuilt my radiator already. I got new hoses. I got new thermostat, new water pump. I need to get a new valve cover gasket. I gotta get like a few gaskets and stuff. Then my engine done. Like as far as running. Now I'm gonna add a few things.
Alright, now guys, we're gonna take 3 bolts off from the converter, which is right there. 3 bolts, air tool, 14mm, light work.
It's like almost double the price, bro.
Bro, what is that?
Of an Invidia exhaust, bro. I'm so excited.
Damn.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, like GTA. Cause that's how fucking loud you're gonna be. The cops are gonna come.
I hope not.
Yup, as soon as this shit goes off this fucking.
Oh shit. Alright, Alan, what was the problem again?
You're a fucking idiot. That's the problem.
Alright guys, when you guys connect it to the converter, make sure the converter is like, what's the word?
Lift it up.
Lift it up.
Place, bro.
Dude, I don't know English, bro.
It's okay.
Hey, shout out to Keith though.
Yeah.
Shout out to Keith
Photo
though.
mode.
Shout out to Keith in the photo mode.
Photo mode. Nick, what else did I teach you?
I don't know.
Spit is the best lube.
Spit is the best lube, ladies and gents. Alright, we're connecting the, what is this, 3rd piece? It's right there. 2 bolts and the gasket. Hey, shout out to Keith though.
Shout out to me, bro.
Yeah, Keith did all the work, bro. This motherfucker did all the work.
Can't even hold up the fucking converter. Alright.
Is it snug?
Yeah. Oh, this piece is small. Oh, okay, yeah, then yeah, I'm good.
Alright, for sure.
Talking robbing, they don't do shit. High Cali niggas tapped in, we'll cook shit. Bustin' on my neck, niggas reach, get stretched. Rockin' with this tech, niggas better wear vests. Last year I was broke, young nigga in the crest. Now I show 20 better broke, niggas keep the rest.
don't know. It's confidential how we link, gotta keep that on the low. Told my dog to get the room, he hit me